Hi students. Moonshadow by Cat Stevens is a song we have never done before. Let's take a look at the chords. First off, you have, whenever you see a chord that's like a C/G, that means a C with a G in the bass. And the G is the open G. And the C is actually played with two fingers, and that gives you that distinctive Moonshadow. Then the F, C, F, C, F, C, F, and then you have G, G7, D minor, A minor, and D. Now the strum on this one, I'm just playing straight strums, but at least on the C over the G, the first chord, I hear a down, 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 up, down. I've been followed by a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow. The line when you continue, so it's I've been followed by a moon shadow. Here now, moon shadow, moon shadow. The F on this lyric is 2 beats, and then shadow, moon, 1 beat each. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, shadow. All right, let's try it with a good medium tempo. A 1, 2, a 1, 2, ready, play. I've been followed by moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow, leaping and hopping on a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow. And if I ever lose my hands, lose my plow, lose my land, oh, if I ever lose my hands away, I won't have to work no more. And if I ever lose my eyes, if my colors all run dry, yes, if I ever lose my eyes away, I won't have to cry no more. Yes, I've been followed by a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow, leaping and hopping on moon shadow, moon shadow, moon shadow. And if I ever lose my legs, I won't moan and I won't beg. Oh, if I ever lose my legs away, I won't have to walk no more. I'm gonna skip to the bridge. This is the different material, and this is a D. Did it take long to find me? I asked the faithful lie. Did it take long to find me? And what are you, and are you gonna stay the night? I've been followed by a moon shadow, moon shadow, moon That's the essence of it. The bridge was the different material completely. Pretty straightforward. One measure each. Are you gonna stay the night? Yeah, the distinctive chord that let me turn this off. That begins the song is this C over G, but you're playing the C with the pinky and the ring finger. You have to move fast on that one. Okay, have fun with this.